Hey, let's make some easy cheater empanadas inspired by the flavors of actual Argentinian empanadas. Here are the ingredients. They will be in the main video and the description below as well. Into a skillet we go with our ground beef, and after 3 minutes we want to add half of our diced onions, half of our minced garlic, half of our minced green olives, and our chili powder, salt, and pepper. Brown until it looks like this. Add the other half of the garlic, onion, and olives, and then fry for about 3 more minutes. Now we let that cool to room temperature or refrigerate overnight. While that cools, we need to cut our pre-made pie crust into smaller circles. Using a glass, mug, or ramekin as a template, trace the round shape into the pie dough with your paring knife. Once you are unable to cut more circles, re-roll out the leftover dough and cut more circles, re-rolling and cutting until you can't make any more circles. Spare dough use suggestions also in the main video. Now we want to take our rounds and wet the outer edge with water, and then put a small spoonful of the filling into the middle and pinch closed as you see here. Lay them out onto a sheet pan and imprint them with a fork for decoration, and after a quick egg wash they are ready to go into a 425-degree oven for 15 minutes if your filling is room temperature, or 20 minutes if it was refrigerated. Once that is done, we want to give them another quick egg wash and turn the oven to broil, but leave the temperature the same. And in about 4 to 5 minutes they will be nice and golden brown and ready to serve after cooling for 5 to 10 minutes. If you need any more information, see the links in the description. Have a great day and a great meal.